Homeowners in Massachusetts know that living in New England means preparing for just about every type of weather. From icy winter winds and spring rainstorms to humid summers and blustery autumn days, your home's windows are constantly exposed to the elements. Over time, this can take a toll, causing drafts, condensation, or even frame damage. That's why weather-resistant windows are a must for homes across the Bay State. These specially engineered windows are designed to withstand Massachusetts' unpredictable four-season climate, offering durability, comfort, and energy efficiency all year long. If you're considering replacing or upgrading your windows, here's how choosing the right weather-resistant options can protect your home and enhance your everyday living. Built to handle harsh New England winters, Massachusetts winters can be long and severe, with freezing temperatures, snow, and strong winds. Traditional windows often struggle under these conditions, leading to heat loss, condensation, and cold drafts that make your home uncomfortable and drive up energy costs. Weather-resistant windows are designed to combat these challenges. They feature multiple panes of insulated glass that trap heat indoors and block out the cold. Low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back into your home during winter months. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes to enhance thermal insulation. Tight, reinforced seals that prevent drafts and energy loss. By reducing heat transfer, these windows make your home more efficient and help maintain a steady indoor temperature, even during a nor'easter. Protecting against summer heat and humidity. While winters in Massachusetts are cold, the summers can bring their own set of challenges: intense sunshine, high humidity, and temperatures that climb into the 80s or 90s. Without proper protection, traditional windows allow UV rays and heat to flood your home, making your air conditioning system work harder. Modern weather-resistant windows help keep your home cool through advanced glazing technologies. Features like low-E coatings and solar-controlled glass block harmful UV rays and reduce heat gain, keeping interiors comfortable and protecting furniture, floors, and fabrics from fading. In addition, window frames made from durable materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, or composite resist warping and moisture damage, common issues during humid New England summers. Defending against heavy rains and moisture. Spring and fall often bring unpredictable rain and coastal storms, especially in regions close to the Atlantic. Without proper sealing and drainage, older windows can allow water to seep in, leading to mold growth, rot, and structural damage around your window frames. Weather-resistant windows are designed with advanced water management systems, including slope sills that direct rainwater away from your home, secure weather stripping to block moisture and air infiltration, specialized coatings and cladding that resist corrosion and decay. These features ensure that your home stays dry and protected, even during heavy rain or coastal wind events. Withstanding Massachusetts' seasonal transitions. One of the biggest challenges for Massachusetts homeowners is the rapid temperature swings between seasons. Constant expansion and contraction can cause cheaper windows to crack, warp, or lose their seal over time. High-quality, weather-resistant windows are built to endure these cycles. They use durable frame materials, such as fiberglass or composite, that expand and contract minimally with temperature changes. This stability helps maintain their structural integrity and efficiency for decades, even through fluctuating New England conditions. Lower energy bills and year-round comfort. By minimizing heat loss in winter and reducing solar heat gain in summer, weather-resistant windows dramatically improve your home's energy performance. You'll enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature, reduced HVAC strain, and noticeably lower utility bills. According to Energy Star, homeowners in the Northeast can save hundreds of dollars annually by upgrading to high-efficiency, weather-resistant windows, savings that add up over time while improving your family's comfort. Adding value and peace of mind beyond comfort and savings, installing weather-resistant windows increases your home's resale value and curb appeal. Massachusetts buyers appreciate the combination of durability, efficiency, and style, especially in a region known for its tough weather patterns. These windows also reduce maintenance demands. Many models are built with protective coatings and easy-to-clean surfaces, so you spend less time worrying about upkeep and more time enjoying your view. Final thoughts: from winter snow to summer humidity, Massachusetts homeowners face every weather challenge imaginable. Investing in weather-resistant windows ensures your home stays comfortable, efficient, and protected throughout all 4 seasons. With the right materials, professional installation, and energy-efficient design, these windows don't just enhance your home's performance. They provide peace of mind knowing your home is ready for whatever New England weather brings next.